Imagine stepping into a world where science meets innovation, where robots come to life, and artificial intelligence transforms the way we teach and learn. That's exactly what happened when my student Ray Jabies and I joined a 2-day robotics training and workshop on robotics, programming, and artificial intelligence application in teaching science. As a social science major teaching science, I was both nervous and thrilled. When I first read about this training, my curiosity sparked instantly. I knew this was something extraordinary, a chance to explore the future of education. I'm truly thankful to our supportive school head, Ma'am Frances Laika H. Masicampo of Hinakpan National High School, for trusting me to take part in this innovative learning experience, and to Dr. Jose Belono for facilitating such an enriching and transformative training that opened our minds to the endless possibilities of robotics and AI in education. It was our first time attending such a groundbreaking workshop, and it opened our eyes to how technology can make science learning more interactive, creative, and exciting. Beyond the codes and circuits, this experience taught us how to think critically, solve problems, and embrace technology as a powerful teaching tool. This journey isn't just about keeping up, it's about getting ahead and preparing ourselves and our students for a world shaped by innovation.